something to watch out for. As Ildefonso comes away with a steal. Nice pass to Jason Brickman who lays it up and in. 4-0 agad para sa Abra Solid North Weavers. Enriquez tried to split the defense. Another turnover forced by the defense of Abra. Behind the back, Gonzalez slams it down! 12-5. Ildefonso binigay muna kay Jason Brickman. Lobs it up. Gio Chu, basket and one. Abra, nice defense.
Yes.
Being showed here by Caloocan.
Yes, I was going to say the same. Look at the defense of the Caloocan team.
But Brickman just bails him out with a corner pocket three.
Let's see this, 2 on the ball, had to work it. Skips it over to Jason Brickman right on the corner. Almost very small dip lang before he took that shot.
Nakita mo doon yung decision making. Saka unti-unti lumalayo sa rebounding battle ng Abra.
Yes, isa pa yun.
Shot clock winding down though on the Weavers. Brickman again. He bails them out with a free.
Pangalawang 3-pointer na yan ni Brickman.
Gio Chu. Bola na agaw ng Abra. Brickman, Serrano, balik kay Brickman. Easy 2 points.
That's gotta be part of the highlight reel.